In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to remove a payment method from your Amazon account. Let's get started. First, launch your Amazon app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on this icon given at the bottom. Now here you're going to find different tab. Navigate to the tab account. Under this, you're going to find different settings option. Head over to the section of wallet. You'll find the payment method that you have added in your account. Click on that. Now click on the card. This will open the card details page. From there, tap on edit button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the option called remove from wallet. Tap on it and Amazon will ask you to confirm whether you really want to remove the payment method. Simply confirm the action and the selected card will be permanently removed from your Amazon account. And that's it. This way you can easily remove the payment method from your Amazon app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.